Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Kansas City, Missouri. This is our 18 pier job. This is an 18 King Pier 2 project. This house needed piers underneath the footing. These houses, all houses are built to the standard minimum. Keep that in mind. The footings are generally 2 feet wide, 8 inches thick, low strength, 3,000 pound concrete. It's got fly ash mixed in with it. The city wants 2 runs of number 4 rebar in the footing. What you have there is set up for failure. Low strength concrete, undersized. Eventually, with the droughts that we have, the footings will break, and where they break, you'll get a crack in the wall, the door won't open properly, and that's when they call us and we come out here. This job here is kind of extensive, 18 piers to stabilize the footing and raise it back up to its correct level elevation is what we do. We've got crack repair on the walls. There's horizontal cracks everywhere, thus the low strength concrete. So stay tuned out here. And the one thing I want to explain to everybody that I do not believe anybody but me is saying this to our customers is that if my thumbs are where the piers go and there's 6 feet of distance in between the piers are guaranteed to last. I warranty all of my piers 25 years. But if the footing in the future happens to break, that's not the problem of King Piers or my competitors. And I don't know if my competitors are telling people that the footing in the future could break because I'm going along and I'm usually the second foundation repair contractor on these jobs. This one here, I'm the first, but generally I'm the second. So someone's already paid somebody for a system that failed them, and then they called me and I come in and redo it. So just wanted to make that apparent to everybody. The footing can break in between the piers. So keep that in mind. That's why I'm offering my customers now a King Pier from A to Z underneath all of the footing. That comes with a lifetime warranty. That's a real warranty, not just used toilet paper on a diarrhea Sunday. This is the real deal. So if you really want to stabilize your home and never have any problems, you got to encase that entire low strength, undersized footing with the King Pier methodology, and you'll be good. For all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. And you can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.